Alright, so you're scrolling through your favorite social media apps like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, right? Lately, there's this crazy trend going on. It's all about these fancy, luxurious videos. People are making serious money just by creating and sharing them. The exciting part is that you can join in on this trend and create your own luxury videos. I will guide you through each step in a super easy way. Let's get started. First things first, we need to find those amazing clips that scream luxury. I'll spill the beans on the best places to get these high-quality clips. Next up, we'll talk about finding those epic and trending soundtracks that'll make your video pop. Then, it's time to put everything together. I'll guide you through the process of creating this awesome, dark, and luxurious video from scratch. And guess what? I've got some bonus tips to help your videos grow and get even more attention. So, if you're into this kind of stuff, hit that like button to let me know. Let's dive right in and make your social media game super fancy. Alright, let me simplify that for you. Okay, so there's a first part where you get video clips. I'll make it easy. There are two ways to do this. You can click on a link in the description. It has over 20,000 clips. You get them for free in a Google Drive folder. You can use these clips to make lots of different videos. Or you can go on Instagram or TikTok. Just search for what you want, like cars, dogs, houses, or anything else. Then save or download the videos you like. Now you have them to add to your own videos. The next thing we're talking about is cool music, right? Today we're going to find awesome and popular music. And guess what? We're doing it on Instagram. Let me show you exactly how to do that. So the best way, in my opinion, is to go to your Explore page. Look for a video that's kind of like the one you want to make. For example, we make luxurious videos, right? So find a video that's kind of fancy too. Now check the bottom left corner of the video. There's a song there. If you tap it, you'll see the details. This one has 75,000 likes called Reels right now. If I want this song, I tap the button in the top right and choose to save it or use it right away. See that arrow in the bottom left? That means it's trending, lots of people are using it, and it's getting popular. As I scroll through, I see many are trending, but some are not. I've decided to use this trending audio. I tap link and save that link. Next, I go to InFled, download the video, and there you go. Okay guys, the next part is about combining our luxurious clips and audio to make our video. Today, I'll use CapCut for editing since it's easy for most people. If you cannot use CapCut, any other editing software can do this kind of video. Just follow the steps. Okay, so I've gone on to InFled, downloaded the reel with the audio, and then we're going to drag it onto our CapCut timeline. See it there? Click on the video and take out the audio. Remove the original clip. Now we have the audio. When editing a video like this, especially a cool one, it's important to match the video with the audio. If the beat is fast or has certain drops, make sure your clips fit the rhythm. Now let's add the clips. I opened a link on Google Drive with different options like a car. If you mix these clips with some from influencers, you can make awesome, unique videos. For this video, I'll use 7 clips. I'll download them and drag them into my CapCut timeline. All the clips are there, and we can start editing. First, mute all the clips. Go there and drag them. Remove any clips you don't like, maybe ones with people drinking or showing money. There are enough clips to make videos. Play around with them, remove what you don't want, and see what you can create. Bring this here, move that there, and watch. How easy was it to make? Super easy. Okay, let's make things clear. First off, we need to make our video look good. That means adding some cool effects and text. Here's the plan. Pick the text option, hit auto captions, and if there's text in the audio, it'll show up. Move to the text section, press apply to all, and choose an animation that suits your vibe, especially if you're into luxury or finance stuff. Keep it clean and classy. Minimalist text usually works best. I threw in a glitch effect for some cool factor. It's that simple. Now, if you're creating your own account and brand, take your time with the text and effects. Be unique, but don't go crazy. Next step, add a filter to make the video a bit darker. Trust me, it adds a touch of luxury. Play around with filters, but stick to one for all your videos. I like Jasm or Black Forest. To wrap it up, make your video more epic by slapping your logo at the end. Something simple that represents your brand. It makes a big difference. And hey, here's a bonus tip. I've got some extra tips to help you grow when you start sharing your content. Follow along as I break it down for you. First things first, when you're posting, use the popular audio everyone's talking about. Grab it and put it in your video. Originally, it was meant for editing, but it's also great for getting more attention from the algorithm. So, when you share the video, turn up the volume on that audio. Instead of following the usual steps, choose the option to use the trending audio. This really helps your video get noticed. After that, just press next and continue. While you're at it, try out different effects, especially if you're new to this. Some effects don't do much, but others are really popular right now and can make your video look cool. Check out the Explore page for inspiration and save those effects for later use. When you're adding a caption to your video, try to make it valuable. Put something motivational or interesting in the first line. In the next lines, add hashtags that match your video's theme. Make sure your captions are attention-grabbing. It's a good idea to share your content on Facebook too. But turn off the option to share it on both platforms. Views on Facebook might not help your Instagram followers. Focus on getting views and followers on Instagram. There's a trend going on where people add topics to their posts. It might not make a big difference right now, but you can give it a try. Lastly, pay attention to your video's thumbnail. Pick a clear and appealing image that represents your content well. A good thumbnail can attract more viewers. So with smart posting, interesting captions, and eye-catching visuals, you can create content that really stands out. If you like these tips, let me know in the comments and feel free to ask any questions.